Hello tea lovers! In this episode we're going to talk about how to make a Hojicha Latte. I had a quick idea for a recipe using just some simple ingredients I had around the house, and I was surprised at how good it turned out. For those of you who don't know, Hojicha is a roasted Japanese green tea with these wonderful flavors of chocolate, caramel, and coffee. Normally, Japanese green teas are fresh and grassy, but Hojicha is an exception, really producing a dark color and a rich roasted flavor profile. Because matcha lattes have become so popular, I wanted to see if another Japanese green tea could be made into a delicious latte. First, you'll need to start with some Hojicha. The first time I did this, I ended up using a lighter Hojicha and I didn't quite like the end result as much. For that reason, I recommend you really go for a dark roasted Hojicha, like the cookie Hojicha. Just like with a matcha latte, you want to go for an even stronger tea, otherwise you won't be able to taste it through the milk. The cookie Hojicha is a heavy roasted Hojicha from Takachiho, and its strong notes of dark chocolate and black coffee pair the best with the milk. Just take 5 grams of Hojicha and put it into your teapot, along with about a half a cup of water at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. I used a higher temperature water because these darker Hojicha teas can really handle it. Plus, I wanted to keep my latte nice and warm. Let this tea brew while you work on the milk. For the milk, I decided to go for an oat milk. Normally we use coconut milk for our matcha lattes, but I thought the oat milk would complement the warmer notes of the Hojicha better. I was also suggested to make this again with the hazelnut milk, so I'll have to try this next. Just pour in about half a cup of the oat milk into the glass and then put it in the microwave for 1 minute to heat it up. Once you have your warm oat milk, you can then pour the Hojicha tea into the glass and really make sure you get every last drop out. One optional step is to add a little bit of cocoa powder on top and then mix this in. I wanted to accentuate the chocolatey flavors of the drink and also complement the coffee, caramel, and nutty notes of the tea. This drink tastes like a cup of warm hot chocolate, but there's so much more complexity to it. I was really proud of how this drink turned out. It really tasted like a dessert, but you can also tell that there was high quality Hojicha used in it. I think the goal for these types of drinks is to turn the tea into a delicious treat without overshadowing the tea too much. I really like this drink and I'll definitely make it again. Please be sure to let us know how your drink turned out. Are there any adjustments to this recipe you recommend? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.